So we want to make sure that our pan is not piping hot, but all the way warmed up. I'm just basically at a medium to medium high temperature. A good way to tell if your oil is hot is that it starts to spread all over the pan. It's much more viscous, it starts to kind of shimmer. You can also do a little trick where you dip your fingertips into some water and kind of just plop it in there, and basically it'll start to pip, pop, and hiss if the oil is hot. So we don't want this to be so crazy that it burns our scallops, but we want to make sure, like I said, we're getting some color on them. So we'll start to lay them in there. That sound is the perfect indication. So here's the tough part. Just like with a good steak, you basically want to leave these alone. We're gonna go based on the size. They're gonna take probably about a minute to a minute and a half on both sides. You don't wanna go any further than that. It might not look completely cooked, but you wanna pull it because it's gonna continue to cook. And with seafood, if we overcook it, basically we're just drawing out more moisture through that high heat and cooking process. And it's just gonna be a little bit chewy, very dry. We want it to remain flaky. So leaving a little bit of that extra moisture to continue to cook after it comes out of this hot pan is perfect. We're gonna go ahead and turn these. And you're allowed to check it out before you decide. If you want a little more color, go for it. I think that's perfect. So we'll just turn these over. And then I am going to pause for a second and bring the camera over so you can get a little closer view on the seared. Okay, so that brings us to right about a minute on each side. When you go to grab these, they should be pretty tender, but also much more firm than they were when you laid them in. So let's check out the bottom. It's looking lovely. I think I'm gonna give these guys another 30 seconds and they will be perfect.